Now we are going to talk about the wiki. In Epidemium there are two different wikis. There's one general wiki and then there's a wiki page for your project. What does it mean? If you are in your profile and you click on the icon wiki that there's in the top right corner of your profile, you will be redirected to the wiki of Epidemium's program, which contains all the information about the program. This wiki, by the way, is accessible by everyone, not only by the members of the platform, but by any person who types wiki2.epidemium.cc in the searching bar. Okay, once said this, the wiki that you will have to use to document your project is another wiki and is accessible through the page of your project. So now I went to my projects page, and to access to the wiki of my project that is automatically generated when I create a project in the platform, I click on the wiki icon that's here. Okay, not the one that is on the top right corner, but the one that appears when I scroll down the page of my project. Then I'm readdressed to the wiki of my page, and then to edit it, I only have to click on edit. The wiki works as any other text editor, so you can choose the font, you can insert links, you can insert media, templates, tables, among other kind of files. Be aware that you have to save the changes that you do quite often in order to not lose information, and when you save something, you can describe what you've done, so that if after there's someone that comes and goes to view history, he or she will see what you did before and will get an idea. That's important because the wiki is gonna be accessible by all the members of your team. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to send it to contact@epidemium.cc.